Hi, welcome to our blog development. And we in the last video we have seen that how to create a blog post and how to deploy all the things there also. And as I promised that we will be going for how to provide the style sheet, the minimum things using the Bootstrap. Okay, so later on we can learn how to provide using the cascading style sheet and all things, because this is ready-made and available. We can use this Bootstrap and how we go for that thing. Okay, so now for this thing, what we need to do, we need to just open any browser. In this browser just you go for just type getbootstrap.com. okay, so type getbootstrap.com, it is coming here. So enter, and once it is coming, now we can see some templates, we can see some coding. Directly we can use it and we can use for according to our requirement, right? So then you go to the documents here. So you are here, getbootstrap.com, then you are going to the docs here, the documents here. In the documents you can see a number of things are there. Then you go for the starter template. Okay, in this starter template you can see it here, all the things are there. Okay, now we stop it here. What exactly we want to do, I will tell you. If you check it here, we are using something, and when I run this program, you have seen when I run this program, and I have shown you. Let me run this program here also. So it is not there. Python, so type it Python, Python space manage.py. I'm just going to run this program, manage .py. Then just I want to run the server, so run server. Okay, so with this command we run our server, and we can see here we can see the output, right? So so now we have seen it is coming like this. It is coming like this. So what I want to do with that, so I want to provide some style sheet using this Bootstrap, right? So for running this type of things and creating all this style sheet using the Bootstrap, we think about one thing. Suppose I am creating one page, okay, and page I want to go for the break page, and I want to make some different pages with the same setup, right? Then what I have to do? Say two option is there. For each pages I can use the same template what I am using here. Otherwise I create one base.html, whatever we say. So this same thing we can refer in each and every pages, in and every HTML pages. Okay, that is the condition, so we can use it here. Okay, now come back to here. Now here if you see, we have to create a new page here. Where we have to go for this creating this HTML pages? I told that whenever you want to create anything, now you can close it, Control C, it is here. Now you go to our say the templates. Here is the template. Now right click and you create a new page. Okay, so on the right click it is asking new, and you create a HTML page. Okay, one HTML file I am putting. What is the file name? I told that I want to create a base. So base.html is the HTML file we are using. Okay, so you see two options at the HTML4 we are not using, and XHTML, that is when XML using HTML, that is XHTML, we are using this one, right? So by default it will be created. Now a page is created with this thing, right? Now what I want to do, inside the body part here, or title, whatever you write it, I don't have any problem with this title. So here I want to modify certain things here in this base page. Okay, inside the body what I need to do, what are the things I copied here? If you remember, here I have taken something, sorry, here introduction Bootstrap. Okay, here I have taken the starter template. In the starter template just I copied the entire thing here. Okay, so after copying all things I want to put it there. Okay, so if you put it here, then we can come here. We can come here, and see, Control A, Control V. Okay, so now you can see it here, the entire thing it is here coming, right? So doc type HTML, entire things whatever you want, I am coming it here. Now this is the startup, whatever I think that they make the starter things. Okay, so now what you need to do, the same thing, you need some modification there. Then what you need to do, if you see here inside this body, just I pasted it there and it is inside the body, it was hello world. Just I remove all the things. So here what I need to do, yeah, inside the body, just I want to create things like this. Okay, this is and this is there. So you put it there, this the percentage sign and also the percentage sign. Now what I need to do it, so block content b, just I create a block content, block block content. Okay, this is the thing I created inside this body, and then you have to go for this ending this block also. Okay, so for ending this block, just you do it here, the same thing I put it here, and also percentage sign here, it is the percentage sign and their end block, right? So sorry, back, this is the end block. Okay, block, right? So these are the things, and you can do one thing also, this we can keep it inside a division also, because inside the body when you are using, put it inside a div. So div created and division, you put a class, because the class I am putting, and the class name I am putting it as container. Okay, class, and the class name we can, okay, equal sign must be there, class equal to okay, container, container. Okay, so these are the things, all the things not required. Okay, so right, so content, the container. Okay, container, right? So these are the things you have done. Then you, after this, these things you created, and you close it here, this one, and this div you can okay, from this point shift, yeah, sorry, yeah, control X. So this after the end of this thing, no, so yeah, after this you can put it here. Okay, enter control V, right? So now these are the things you have done, the changes inside these things. Also if you want, you can put a line break also just after the body. Okay, so see, that is not is that is at this moment it not required. So now you can save it, control S. Now what you need to do, if you run this program, check it here. Now if you go for this thing, sorry, just I, yeah, because you have to again run this program, because I have stopped running, no, that is the problem. So now I go for python manage.run server. Okay, yeah, now it is there. If you see it here, now things are coming like this, right? But it was because even if we did it there, the first what we created before this bootstrap, it is just like this. Okay, but once we apply this bootstrap, there should be something beautiful, it should come. Then where we have to apply all these things. Okay, so now let us go back to there, and we have to apply, because we have some pages like home.html. So go back to our home.html. In this home.html, what we need to do, we have to give reference to this base .html. Okay, so where you put it, where you put it. So now okay, so we want to apply all the things to our home.html, because the same template I want to put it here everywhere, right? So what is the template? The template I have provided base.html. Then I have to give reference of this base.html here. So how you do all the things? So you just put it like this. Then this is the percentage sign, you know, this is the format. Then it just type extends, what you want to extends in single quotation base.html. Okay, extends single quotation, that is base.html. This is the file what we already created, base.html. Okay, so yeah, this you can put a gap here also, and at the end also you just put a gap here. Fine. Now now you can put the block content here also just after this. Okay, so just after this you put the things what are there. So now the same thing you are putting it here, and we can go for these things also. Now it was there block content, if you remember. Okay, so block, block, block content, block content. Okay, so these are the block content, and at the end we are using going to go for the end block. Okay, after this just we are putting it. uh, yeah After this just you go for this and this, then you put this one also, then space end block. Okay, end block, right? So control S. So these are the things only you have done it here in this home.html. Okay, now let us see. We have saved all the things. We have saved all the things. Now uh, control C. Yeah, now I go for just run the server again. Okay, yeah, now let me see previously how it was done, now how it looks. See, can you see the difference? Now it has come in a different color, my first post, my second post, and all things automatically, the style and everything it has taken here. Okay, so if you want to provide a break after this post, then you can do it here. Go there and no, after this one, then you can just put a line break here, right? So this is br slash, right? So control S. So now if you check it here and no do it here, now you can see already a you can see here a gap it has appeared here also, right? So now these things you appeared here. Suppose I go for this article detail.html, that is also another page I created there. Okay, so there also I want to apply the same things. What I have to do, just you come to this article underscore detail.html. Okay, article underscore .html, the same thing what you have done it here, no, in our home.html. These two lines copy it here. Okay, so control C, and you go to the article detail.html and you paste it here, control V. And now what you need to do, at the end you are going for this end your block, because you block content you started it here, at the end you are putting yeah, exactly. You copy paste or you type it here, there is no issue. So now you are making this and then shift this, then just you are writing end block, right? ENDBLOCK. Now you can clearly see, I think end block, it's okay. Make a space here, right? End block, right? So now this is the block, what is the block content, and then you have gone the end block. Okay, this is the percentage and everything is okay, there is no problem why it is showing like this in words. End block type. Yeah, if you have any problem you go there. No, what is the problem? End block, it's okay. End block, it's okay. Yeah, it's there, no mistake, it is just showing like this. So now it is okay. Now control S all the things. Now suppose suppose I click it here. So refresh this thing, so it is coming like this. Now I click it here, so you see, so it is coming my first post and also everything. Previously it was not like this, now it is coming. Now you back it here, then you go to the second post, it is also coming like this, then back, you go to the third post also it is coming. Now you can clearly see that what is the style sheet we applied, everything it is in that we put the template, we put it in the base.html, and everything we are able to apply it here. Suppose I want to put some no some template for this button, this back. Okay, so I want to create a button, instead of link I want to put it button. Then what you need to do, so then you come here and you, yeah, you again come back to this your bootstrap the thing, and there we can go for something like that, no, navbar. Okay, so a b c d f g h I j. Okay, getting started. Yeah, so let me see it here. You go to the components, not here. You go to the components. In the components, just you select the nav bar. You can check it here. In this nav bar, yeah, double click here. So in this nav bar, we can see it here. This is the nav bar, how it looks. Okay. So now, suppose I want to provide all this link. I want to make it looks like this nav bar and all things should look like this. Then what I do? I copy the code, just the copy you can select here, and other we can just copy it here. Okay, just after copying this one, what you need to do, then what you have to do, then you just go to, just let me check 1 minute. Okay, so what about the nav bar? We copied it, that this coding, that you put it inside this body tag, right? Okay, you just enter and control V, right? Now enter thing is just control S. So if you check it here and you keep it here, the now everything is ready. Okay, so now that is one thing. Second thing is that I told you that we can create some button there also. Where do we create this button? You just go to the home.html. In the home.html, we, yeah, somewhere, sorry, I think the article detail there, here we created these things back. Okay, now here I want to provide the no, some style sheet from this bootstrap. How do you provide all the things? You go to the bootstrap. In the bootstrap, you just no, you from these components, you go for these buttons. You go for these buttons. Okay, you yeah, you select the secondary. In the secondary, you can see here the class is given button secondary. These are the things you put it here. Okay, class is equal to button secondary. This is the thing. Up to this, you just copy it here. Okay, so Control C. So this is the thing. Then we come back to our coding here, where we created all the things. If you check it here, we have yeah, this is the article AH reference, all the things is there, up to this it is there. Okay, just after this, before this thing, so you just put and control V. Okay, so this class is equal to button container, and secondary, all the things it is there. So okay, so class is equal to button, up to secondary. So you have to put it this double quotation here also. All right, so now this is the back and all things. If you remember all the things, and here another thing is that we put it here and save it, Control S. So once you saved all the things, now I go for running this program. Okay, because it was there, and okay, anyway, you just let us see, just go there and just reload this thing. Just by reloading all the things, if you see it here, it is coming. You go back to the my post, it is still coming, and back it has already come, and this back it is coming. I go to the second post also, it is coming nice, and back. So I go for this third post also, it is coming. So I go back, everything is fine. Okay, now what we need to do, but if you see this one, this is coming something which I don't like. I want to modify all the things, because this color it is coming. Now you can see the navbar, home, link, drop down, all the things it has already come here. If you see that this is the line, previously it was not there, which it has appeared here. Now what I need to do, I need to modify the colors and all things. Then what I have to do, just you go to our coding part, and in this base.html, what you have done it here, if you see in this, yeah, come down here, if you see the yeah, just give me 1 minute time. The BG was light as well as the your nav. Let me see. navbar was light and bg is light, so you just make it dark. Okay, so ebg dark and navbar are dark. Okay, so this is button is lock and double solution navbar double. Okay, so just instead of light I put it dark, dark, and here also for this bg light also I put it also, this is dark, not black, dark, dark, right? So now control s, now after doing all things you go back there, and if you just you check it here, yeah, bravo, you can see, now you can clearly see that we have the navbar, the home, the link, and you see it is there. If you want to keep all the things you can keep it, if you don't want to search you can delete all the things, everything is there, because you go there inside the coding, which part you want to keep it, which part you don't want to keep, you delete that one. Okay, so instead of the navbar also wherever it is coming, you something you want to write it there, you see where it is coming, see come here, so here it is coming, button, this is the button, it is okay, so just above this, it is okay, it is okay, title instead of hello world, I'll change what are the things you have to do it there. Okay, so here only you need to change instead of navbar, yeah, just give it, it's home, one minute. Yeah, so instead of this navbar, I put it say my blog, something like that. Okay, this is because I am creating my blog, so it is my blog. Okay, my blog, right? So it should appear my blog, right? So control s, now if you check it here and you just see it here, see instead of this navbar it is appearing my blog, then it the home, then the link, the drop down it is coming something like that, action, another action, you can change it, and whatever things you want that you can put it there. Okay, so then search also it is there, you can disable, you can keep it here, it is your choice also. So in this way we have done three things here now. First thing is that we applied the cascading style sheet and we created a base HTML base page that is just like the template, and the same thing we apply to home as well as the article detail, article underscore detail dot html, that page also we applied. Then we created the navbar here. Okay, then we if you remember here in the first period we created this also, this button design also using this cascading style sheet. Okay, so there are so many options in this no, in this bootstrap, you whatever things you like, even if you can create a form, you can do whatever things you write, you can put it there, right? So suppose you want to create a feedback, and in the feedback you want to create some form, there are standard things, just you copy and paste it there, automatically it will be created, there is nothing to worry, and there is no need to apply your brain to understand what is HTML, what is HTML5, what is XHTML, nothing is required, just you know ABC, it is enough, so you start going doing all things, right? So now this is the thing, up to this you have done, but now you see even if you are going and doing it here, what is coming here, see it is coming my blog and it is my first post, and suppose I am going back and I am putting it here, go to the my third post also, it is appearing also, and still it is showing my blog, for everywhere it is showing my blog, my blog, like that it is showing, right? So but what I want, according to the post I change it here, no, the same thing should be changed here also automatically. You get it now? So what I have to do for this, just you think it is, there are so many ways you can do it, but what we do it here, I just go to the coding part here. In this coding part, if you see the base.html, the page what you have done it here, this is the base.html. Okay, so inside the title, where is our title? So the title here still it is hello world, title is still it is hello world. So inside the title I want to change all the things, right? Hello world I don't want hello world, hello world is the basic things fundamentally they have given it here, so I enter it here, and here what I put, okay, shift this there, and inside that one also again I put it percentage and back, then I put base title. Okay, so sorry, block title, I want to put it block title. Okay, block title. Okay, So I created a block title, right? So space, provide a space it here, right? Then I am writing say my block, whatever things I am writing my block here, right? So okay, and at the end I am putting the end block, just at just you are putting yeah, uh, okay. So shift, okay. So suppose I am writing my block, okay. Suppose I am writing my block, right? So I type it here, caps lock my blog, blog, okay, my blog. So is it okay? So with this, and you close your title here also, and you go for this closing of head and everything there as it is. So up to this there is no problem. So now same thing we applied there, but you just come to Control S, save it here. Now you go to the article detail.html. In article detail.html, what you find, we already put all the things, okay, isn't it? So now, so instead of writing the title, what are the things you are writing? So by author is there, and here I am writing, mm, 1 minute. Yeah. So what we can do it here, if you see it here, so just I put it here, and then just the same thing follow. Then where I'm writing, this I'm writing the block title, block block title. In this block title, right? So something you write here in this block title, whatever you want. Say suppose I'm writing this is a blog post, something like that I'm writing, okay. This is a blog post, post, this is a blog post, something like that I'm writing. So okay, this is a blog post. So then for this you have to end this also, okay. Just you put it here again like this, then here, then you just go for this end block, right? End block, block, right? So when you have done like this, just space it here. So up to this it is okay, and Control S, just save it here. And now let us run this and see what is the output. See, still you can see it is showing hello world. Not just now I check it here. Yeah. So you have done something somewhere it is there. I think that around line number 413, block, text head, wait, line number 13. Yeah, just 1 minute. Let us see. We have done some mistakes somewhere here. Line my blog. Okay. So line number 13 of which one? That is the base.html. Okay, base.html. You go for that one. So this is base.html and line number 13. Yeah, you put it here. Okay. So now Control S. Now yeah. Now if you yeah, just 1 minute. Okay, so what you have done, we have done a small mistake here. Instead of putting this curly bracket and this no percentage sign, just you put it my blog, whatever things are directly, because this is inside this block title, these are the things, it is my blog, it is showing it there. Okay, so end block everything is okay. Now again we are going to save it also, what you have done. Then article underscore detail.html, here what you are writing, instead of putting the title here I am writing post.title, because everything the title will changing, and we can change the title here also, okay. And the third thing is that and here also in we see extend the base.html, I put you that, and here also I am going for this end block, sorry, okay. And then here I am writing the block title, on the block title, instead of putting the title, I am writing post.title. So what is the title of the post? The same will be the block title here also. Okay, end block, and this is the block content and end block here also, right? So first one, it is just taking the template that is from base.html. Second, that for block title, I put what is the post title, same will be the block title, it will show end block here. Then block content, the content will be same, and I go for this end block, right? So this form.html we have modified everything. Then we have gone for this base.html as it is, article, all the things are there. So now, now let us see. Now Control C. Now one more thing you have to do it here, because we have to put all these things in the models.py. Just go to the models.py. In the models.py, yeah, in the models.py, you have to add these things, because what I put it here, because initially title models Carfield, this it was there, up to this it was there. So this is the title tag, I added it here. Title tag, yeah, you can put space here also, there is no problem for this thing. And also, yeah, this is the thing. Okay, this is models.carfield. Here I am reading, by default it will be my blog, put it there. Otherwise, what is the title thing, it will come as the title tag there, by default it will come. Okay, so this is the things you have done. Only you remember that line number 7 I added, and these are the things I modified. Default is equal to my blog. If no title is given there, then by default it will take my blog, right? So with this we saved everything, and Control S, save it here. Then what we do to, you see, when first of all we must have the clarity about the MBT architecture. What is the models? Model is the database, and whenever you change the database here, something the data, then definitely you have to go for this, Python space, manage.py, make migrations, and Python space manage.py, migrate, then only you have to run the server. Okay, the same thing you do it here. Just I have already done just now. So you do it here. First you type Python, type it here, Python space manage .py. Okay, sorry, it should be all lowercase. Yeah, Python space manage .py. So this is the thing, Python manage.py, and here you have to make migrations, okay. So already I have done, so it will not show everything, there is no changes. Then I do the same thing, migrate. So as nothing is there, it will say okay, now no migrations is there to apply. Then I go for this run server. Once I run this server, yeah, you'll find everything is fine running. So you can come here. Now you can see clearly, you can see, so my blog by default it is coming here, and you see now I click my, by default it has come my blog. You look at here, by default. Okay, I close all the things, close those things, close these things, close these things. Template also I close it here. So this also I close it here. Okay, this also I close it here. Okay, close it. So now it has come. So now when I click this my first post, you see automatically heading it is changing my first post. You understand? So I come back. Then when I am going for this my second post, automatically it is also changing my second post. So back, whenever I am going for my third post, so automatically it is coming to the my third post. It is automatically changing. And this one my blog, you can put my awesome blog, or it is code with Dr. Jizana's blog, whatever thing you write, your name, your other name, you can write it there, right? So these are the things you have done. And whatever the navbar, whatever the things are there, if you don't, easy, by default it is there. You want something, you keep it. You don't want, you can delete it there. You go to that coding part, and whatever part you don't want, even search also you can delete here. An option is there also, you can make it white, you can make it black, you can make it some blue color, all there. So according to your choice, you can put it what is the color and all things, right? So with this, we have successfully completed that applying this bootstrap, applying this cascading style sheet here. It is very easy, because that no need to remember so many things. But if you want the detailed design according to your choice and all things, then you can go for the applying the cascading style sheet, just the div container and all these things, applying the sheets and class concept. So that you can also go ahead, and it is also very. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope in the next video we'll make it shortly, and I will also give to you, it will surprise to you, maybe by tomorrow, maximum by tomorrow I'll be going for this thing. So take care of your health. Thank you. And if you like this video, please give like and also subscribe for this video. Thank you. Till then, goodbye.